Hello. In this session, we are going to discuss how to create a company sub account user. So as in the software currently, this option is available into setting in general and into company users. So based on the company users modification, the tab of a company sub account users were available. And by creating a new sub account, these options were available to create multiple different users into the account. The challenges were the users that used to create a new sub account. In that case, if the partners you want to search a users into the record, then that were difficult to search in the screen. So for that to overcome that, we have now come up with the changes into the software, where this option it will be now available into the setting, into the general and in the company sub user. So here this option will be available when the user click on that. The option to create a new sub account will be available, as well as whatever the sub account that were been provided and rights that were available for the user, so that information will be already available into your account. So whichever the user that has been already created into the company user, that will be reflected into the company sub account user screen into the record in existing case scenario. Now just to create a new sub account, the information that need to be added over here, that is for which branch the sub account user rights need to be selected. Accordingly, username password need to be entered to create a new sub account. Accordingly, the password need to be entered and the necessary information for the vehicle which need to be allocated to a particular user, that need to be given. And likewise, the data access rights can be given for a particular map if there are multiple maps that are integrated. Language can be changed and selected based on the language that is particular user is convenient to understand it. And accordingly, screen access rights can be given. So based on that, the user setting can be configured into the software for a particular user. But now in the case, if a new company is created and in that if you want to give the access right, then this option will be available into setting in general and into company account, where creating a new company, this option will be available into the screen access, into the setting in the particular general tab, and based on that the screen access right for a company sub users will need to be selected as the add delete option. So based on this option only, whenever the company user will log in into account, they will be able to create a new sub account of the user, as well as they can edit and modify it same. So these are the changes that has been available into the software for a company sub users, in which for existing sub users that have been created will be automatically reflected available into your account all available. So this is the sub account are created. Thank you.